County.
Southeastern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee. Northwestern Coffee County in Middle Tennessee.
It's from
Southeastern
my
Wilson
county now.
In Middle Tennessee. Northeastern Bedford County in Middle Tennessee. Cannon County in Middle Tennessee. Until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southeast of Murfreesboro, moving northeast at 40
that's
miles per
not
hour.
gonna affect me.
Hazard,
Oh, you see the dark
60
clouds of
miles
it.
per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Woodbury, Allentown, Christiana, Bradyville, Beech Grove, Milton, Fosterville, and
That was gonna be a
Randyville.
doubleheader.
For your protection, move to an interior room
It's
on the
gonna be a
lowest floor
doubleheader.
of a building.
No, it's not.
It might be.
It's not.